Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol sa balitang ito. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay here are 5 crypto under 10 cents or 0.10 that may rally like Shiba Inu. Kaya ayan, atin pong pag-uusapan dito ang limang mga cryptocurrencies na under 10 cents or 0.10. Yan yung kanilang presyo. At maliban po rito ay meron daw po silang kakayahan na mag-rally or umangat sa mataas na presyo katulad ni Shiba Inu. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. At ayan, ang sabi po rito ay this article highlights 5 cryptocurrencies with market values under 10 cents that could mirror Shiba Inu's past success. Kaya ayan, yung hinahangaan po kasi dito kay Shiba Inu ay matindi po kasi yung kanyang ipinakitang price rally itong nakalipas na mga taon. Kaya ayan, narito daw po yung mga limang cryptocurrencies na murang-mura. Yan, nagkakalaga lamang po sila ng under 10 cents na may kakayahang gayahin yung nakalipas na success ni Shiba Inu. As the bearish market bites deeper, calls for buying the dip have intensified. However, uncertainty looms among crypto market participants as they grapple when choosing a low-cost crypto for strategic positioning in anticipation of the impending bull market. Shiba Inu is arguably the most successful token in the last bull run, producing millionaires and billionaires. The Crypto Basic attempts to highlight cryptocurrencies with similar potential. Kaya yan na nga yun, sinabi ko kanina na itong si Shiba Inu ay nitong nakalipas na bull run ay marami po talagang naging milyonaryo at saka bilyonaryo na mga investors at saka traders dito kay Shiba Inu kasi matindi po talaga yung kanyang naging performance nitong last bull run. Kaya ayan, ang Crypto Basic ay sila po ay nagbigay ng attempt na magbigay ng highlight sa mga sa limang cryptocurrencies na may potential na gayahin yung ganitong performance ni Shiba Inu. Yan, unang-una ay si Dogecoin. With the current bearish trend, Dogecoin trades at 0.07706, marking an 8% over the past day. Riding the back of Elon Musk, Dogecoin rose to prominence over the years and has consistently defended its position among the top 10 most valuable cryptocurrencies despite its meme-inspired origin. Kaya yan, si Dogecoin po ang kauna-unahang meme coin. Yan, pumapangalawa lamang po itong si Shiba Inu. Kaya yan ang nangyari po kasi rito kay Dogecoin. Ayan, hindi po nila akalain na may community. Ayan, may community mabubuo at susuportahan itong si Dogecoin. Tapos sinundan pa yan ng sinuportahan ito ni Ginoong Elon Musk, ang pinakamayaman na tao sa buong mundo. Ayan, kung saan ay isa po siyang tech billionaire. Moreover, the allure of Dogecoin shows no signs of diminishing, fueled by growing speculation that Elon Musk may integrate Doge payments on his social media X platform. As a result, Dogecoin continues to be a noteworthy asset to monitor in this anticipated bull season. Kaya yan, ito po yung pinaka-latest na magandang balita rito kay Dogecoin. Mukhang may planong gagamitin si Dogecoin dito sa media platform na si X. Ayan. Kaya may mga nagsisilabasan na mga spekulasyon na mismong si Ginoong Elon Musk ang siyang Yan, maglalabas ng yan yung kanyang kasi itong si Elon Musk, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, ay may interest po kasi siya kay Dogecoin. Kaya pagdating po sa payments ay mukhang mataas po talaga yung posibilidad na i-integrate niya itong si Dogecoin bilang payment, yan, isang mode of payment dito kay X. Ayan, pangalawa ay itong si VeChain or si VET. VeChain or VET has tanked 17% over the past week to 0.02538 amid the current market condition. This $1.84 billion valued crypto project has continued to attract the attention of prominent market observers. Ayan po yung kasalukuyang presyo ni VeChain. Bumagsak po siya ng 17.01% nitong nakalipas na 7 araw. Notably, VeChain has demonstrated success stories within the logistics market. Notable examples include Walmart utilization of the platform for tracking of fresh produce, BMW's authentication of luxury cars, and DNV GL Seafood Sustainability Certification. Kaya yan po yung mga successful na stories dito sa logistics market ni VeChain. Yan, ang ilan lamang po sa mga halimbawa rito ay ang paggamit ng Walmart sa kanilang platform para i-track po yung mga fresh produce. Yan, yung kanilang fresh produce. Maliban po dyan ay yung authentication ng BMW kung saan ay mga luxury cars. At saka ang sustainability certification ng DNVGL's Seafood. With VeChain emerging as a front runner in the supply chain market, its VET token could be poised for a substantial impact in the future. Besides, the Crypto Basic has uncovered a buy signal for VET based on established patterns on its charts. Ayan, meron na rin daw pong lumabas na buy signal kay VET na nagpapakita po ng isang magandang kung saan ay ito ay isang pattern sa kanyang chart. Fluky. Ayan, ito naman po si Fluky. Fluky is another meme-inspired crypto project akin to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu that continues to captivate the crypto community. Notably, Fluky is dubbed the people's cryptocurrency and serves as the utility token within the Fluky ecosystem. Yan, itong si Fluky Inu ay isa na rin po itong meme coin. Ayan, inspired na rin po siya dahil kay Dogecoin at saka kay Shiba Inu. Ayan. Fluky came to live riding. Ayan. Came to live riding on the enthusiasm of fans and members of the Shiba Inu community. The project is developing 4 key utility initiatives, including Valhalla, Fluky-Fi, Fluky Places, and the University of Fluky. Kaya yan po yung kasalukuyang 4 na mga utility projects na kanilang dinidevelop. Yan po yung tinatawag nilang Valhalla, Fluky-Fi, Fluky Places at saka ang University of Fluky. With a price of 40 digits 2788, significantly below a cent, this asset presents a considerable lower barrier to entry for retail investors. Kaya yan, napakamura po niya. Nasa 40 digits 2788. Sunod naman po kay Fluky ay ito pong si Cronos or CRO. Cronos or CRO is another $1.8 billion value crypto project serving as an indigenous asset for Cronos Chain. This is an open source blockchain by the leading crypto financial service firm Crypto.com. Kaya ayan, isa po siyang open source na blockchain. Yan, ng isang financial service firm na si Crypto.com. Ayan. Cronos Chain sets itself apart through its scalability and speed, with notable advancements like Cronos rollups and the Cronos Ethereum bridge. The CRO token, currently trading at 0.07449, has exhibited noteworthy price performances, reaching an all-time high of 0.9698 in November 2021. Given its praiseworthy performance in the 2021 bull market, some market observers anticipate a repeat in the upcoming bull run. Kaya yun po kasi, naging maganda po kasi yung kanyang performance nitong mga nakalipas na taon. Kaya marami pong mga market observers na mukhang uulitin niya ulit yung kanyang previous price performance na ito ngayong paparating na bull run. Yan, sunod naman po ay itong si Bonk. The Solana-powered Project Bonk is one of the digital assets profoundly affected by the ongoing market sell-off, resulting in a loss of a decimal point. Specifically, Bonk has tanked by over 27% over the past week. Ayan, itong si Bonk ay isa po siyang meme coin. Isa po siyang Solana-based na meme coin. At ngayon ay nakakaranas po siya ng kasalukuyang market sell-off. Yan, marami daw pong nagbebenta ng kanilang Bonk token, kaya nagresulta po ito ng ayan na siya ay nagkaroon na naman ng nadagdagan yung kanyang decimal point. Kaya ayan, bumagsak po siya ng 27% nitong nakalipas na linggo. Ayan, kitang-kita po natin dito, ayan, 27.03% nitong nakalipas na 7 araw. Ayan, naapektuhan daw po kasi siya sa kanyang sa market sell-off. This cryptocurrency took the market by storm in the final 2 months of 2023, experiencing remarkable growth of up to 4,400%. In particular, from a low of 60 digits 7552, it surged to an all-time high of 40 digits 3419 last month. Kaya yan po kasi yung napakatinding performance ni Bonk nitong nakalipas na ilang buwan lamang. Yan, itong mga huling 2 buwan ng taong 2023 ay dito po talaga siya nagpakita ng matinding performance, sapagkat lumago po ito ng 4,400%. Yan. Ito po ay galing sa presyong 60 digits 7552. Tapos ito po ay sumabog sa kanyang all-time high na nasa 40 digits 3419. Kaya nagawa po niyang magbawas ng 2 0 digits. Bonk primarily benefited from the positive sentiment surrounding Solana and the excitement generated by its airdrop. The asset now trades at 40 digits 1002. This potentially creates an opportunity for the investing public, as the craze around the asset may re-emerge in a full-blown market. Ultimately, which token will replicate Shiba Inu's 2021 success remains to be seen. Hypothetically, this article should not be construed as an investment advice, as investors are urged to conduct personal research before making commitments. Kaya yan po muli yung 5 na mga crypto na nagkakalaga ng at least 10 cents. Yan, 10 cents and below, na may potential daw po na gayahin ang naging performance, yan, naging past performance ni Shiba Inu. Yan po si Bonk, at yan naman po si Cronos, Fluky Ino, yan, si VeChain or VET, at yan po si Dogecoin. At ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pag-click lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pag-click na rin po ang bell icon nito, dahil ito po ang siyang magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.